Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Siri. Freaking ignored. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be letting Siri, yeah, that's right, Siri, choose my makeup. And I have seen these videos go around YouTube. It was kind of like a trend a year ago or two, and obviously I didn't have my own channel, so I didn't do it. And now I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So I actually got this idea from Mia Maples. Shout out to her. I saw her video and I was like, oh my god, I want to do this so bad. So here I am, and yeah, I'm so excited. I'll give you guys like a little rundown so you guys could like kind of understand, just in case you haven't seen this trend go around. I have this tray right here, and it has numbers 1 through 4. So we're gonna do 4 products the most, right? So I'm gonna lay down 4 products. It doesn't have to be exactly 4 products. It could be like 2, 3, 4, but the max is gonna be 4. So I'm gonna bring here you know, the products. I'm gonna do like primers, concealers, foundations, everything to do my whole entire face. And I'm gonna put on Siri and say, hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 4, and she will choose for me, and whatever number it lands on, I have to apply that product to my face. Get it, get it? If not, you'll kind of figure it out through the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. I'm gonna lay them down, but I have 3 primers. One from Ulta Beauty, it's the mattifying face primer. I have the Wet n Wild water drop primer, and then another one from Ulta Beauty. This is the brightening face primer. So let's go ahead and ask Siri which one I should pick. So we have 3 here. Hey Siri, choose a number 1, 2, 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Okay, so 1 it is, and I got the Ulta Beauty mattifying face primer, and this is actually my favorite. I use this every time I put on my makeup. So let's go ahead and apply that. I'm kind of nervous to see where Siri takes me. Are we trusting her? Are we trusting her? Okay, for the brows, I only have 2 products. I actually broke my powder one, so there you have it. So we have the pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we have this eyebrow gel from, I think it's called To Love. I'm not sure. I got this at, I think, Five Below. I don't remember. So let's go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Okay, so 1 again, and thank God we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I worked this one way better than this one. So okay, so eyebrows are done and eyes are set, which means it's eyeshadow time. And this one, it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna add 2 more slots. So instead of being 4 items, we're gonna do 6. See which one Siri chooses for me. So we have purple, red, pink, neutral, blue, and green. And trust me, I always do like neutral or sometimes like pink, but I've never done like a purple or blue or green look. I mean, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy with them. So let's see. Siri, let's see if she takes me out of my comfort zone. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 6.
A random number between 1 and 6 is 1.
Uh-oh. Okay, so she got 1, and 1 is purple. So Siri clearly has something with the number 1, and I am very scared for this purple look. Go ahead and take out my James Charles palette and go for a purple look. So I'm obviously gonna be working with these colors down here. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. came up with for my purple look. I think it's pretty good. Obviously it's gonna look better when I have foundation, lashes, and you know, the whole shebang. So I'll give you guys a close-up at the end. But next, of course, we are gonna be doing foundation. For foundation, we have these three contestants right here. We have Wet n Wild, we have Estee Lauder Double Wear, and we have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So let's go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri, choose a number 1, 2, 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
All right, so we have the Estee Lauder Double Wear right here, which is what Siri chose for me, and I'm actually very thankful that she chose this. It is my favorite foundation. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend you to try it. So let's go ahead and apply that. Foundation is on, and that makes such a big difference, especially when you have like colorful eyeshadow on. So now we're gonna go on to concealer. Concealer, we have these two. We have the Tarte Shape Tape, and then we have this Wet n Wild concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Siri. Freaking ignored. Okay. So, Siri chose Tarte Shape Tape, so let's go ahead and apply that. Concealer on, and now we're gonna go on to bronzer. For bronzer, we have two. We have a Wet n Wild bronzer, and then we have an Urban Decay bronzer. So, hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
Okay, thank you, Siri. Why does she always ignore me when I freaking tell her thank you? Alright, so bronzer is on. Next we have blush, and we have 3 choices right here. We have Wet n Wild Hello Halo, which is a duo with a highlighter. Then we have this Color Mates in the Sun-Kissed Tan shade. And then we have the Sephora Colorful blush. So let's go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Choose a number 1 through 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
2, okay. So she chose the Color Mates in the Sun-Kissed Tan blush. I think I've never used this, but there's a lot of pigment. I think I got this at Dollar Tree for $1, and this is really good. We're gonna go ahead and set our face. I have 2 options right here. We even have the Lancome translucent powder or this pressed powder from LA Colors. Let's go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
2. So we're gonna go ahead and use the LA Colors pressed powder. This is in the shade beige. Apply this with this sponge that's for powders. Our face is set. We're gonna go in with highlighter. We're gonna go in with highlighter. We have 3 options right here. We have the Hello Halo Wet n Wild Duo. Then we have the Ofra highlighter, and we have LA Colors highlighter. So, hey Siri, choose a number 1, 2, 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
3. All right. So we're gonna go in with the LA Colors highlight. This is in the shade Shine Bright, and this is very good. Like, and this is only $1. You guys are sleeping on this if you don't have it. So we are on to lashes, and I have 4 options. We have Beauty Creations for the first one, then we have Batty Bee lashes for the second one, then we have Beauty Creations again but in a different style, and then we have Wet and Wild. So these are all similar but different. Siri, do me the honors. Siri, choose a number 1 through 4. 1. Okay, so we have these. We got Beauty Creations in the style Please Explain, and these are badass. Look how cute these are. So they're not like super extra, you know, they're like extra but not like extra. Let's go ahead and pop these on. So lashes are on. Now let's go ahead and apply some mascara. We have 4 options. We have Wet n Wild Renegade Lash Mascara. Oh, this is really hard to hold. Then we have the Tarte Gifted Mascara. We also have Wet n Wild Mega Wear and Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So let's see what Siri chooses for me. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 2.
2. Okay, so she chose Tarte Gifted Mascara, and this one I use it pretty often. It's very good. The mascara is on. Time for some lip liners. Okay, so we have 3 lip liners. We have 1 from NARS, actually 2 from NARS, and then there's 1 from Wet n Wild. So 2 are matte and 1 is shimmer. Hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
Wow. Okay, so we have a shimmer. I've never used this one before. See how this goes. Liner is on to lipstick. We have 4 options. We have like a pinkish, like a hot pink, which would like throw all of this off. Then we have like a shimmery nude. Ooh. Then we have a matte nude, and then we have like a peachy color. So hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 3.
Ooh, okay. The NARS lipstick in the shade Tonka. This is a matte, so we will see how this looks with the shimmer. This is like a very dark nude, I'm guessing, and it kind of like canceled out the shimmer, which I'm glad because I'm not a fan of shimmery. The only thing we're missing is setting spray. So we have 2 options. We have Mario Badescu and we have Urban Decay setting spray. I think this is the all nighter. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. So hey Siri, choose a number 1 through 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 1.
So we got Mario Badescu. I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't come at me if I got it wrong. Let's go ahead and spray this. We have it. Siri got me ready my entire face, and I honestly think she took me out of my comfort zone for sure. But I'm glad it came out pretty good in my opinion. Make sure you go ahead and let me know in the comment sections what you think about this look. Rate it 1 through 10. Also, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really supports my channel, and subscribe with your post notifications on. It really helps, and you are going to be part of the giveaway once we reach 5,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.